Hello, this is Adam Pietruszko, and in this reconstruction, I'd like to tell you about my patch Resonant Velocities from the newest expansion to Multiphonics CV-3 called Rotors. So this is how the patch sounds. Notice how it's very velocity sensitive as far as the filter goes. And it's very nice when sequenced. So let's try to recreate that. We'll start with a classic VCO and we'll take a couple of its waveforms to mix them with a dual mix. So we'll take the sub-oscillator, we'll take the sawtooth, but also we'll enhance the fundamental tone with mixing in the sine wave. Let's now feed this to a ladder filter and a VCA. We'll use the 18th dB per octave third 3-pole filter because that's a staple in designing acid sounds. And then we'll use a micro high pass to the output, so we remove some of the low end. So it's like really squelchy up in the upper tones, but no mud below. So we can't hear it yet because we need an ADSR, which will be controlled from the keyboard. The keyboard will also control the pitch of the VCO. Velocity will open the cutoff. Will also feed the envelope to the VCA and to the cutoff as well. And we'll set up a cutoff macro and a resonance macro. And while we'll add it, we'll add a third macro, decay, to have control over the decay of the envelope. So mod 1 will open the filter. Let's test it. So let's reduce the input on the ladder filter because it's overloading. Close the filter, apply ample resonance, and drive. The filter will also track the keyboard a bit from the pitch. So that's the basic sound. Let's enhance it with the addition of a delay. We'll take this signal into the left input, and from the left output, we'll route it into the right feedback input. It will appear here at the right output and get fed back into the left feedback input, which will turn up and also will low and high cut. And this creates a ping pong delay, which is routed here in stereo. So it will be panned left and right, and also reduced a bit compared to the dry signal coming out of the micro HP. Now let's sync this to tempo, to a dotted 8. Let's finish with the macros. Mod 2 will open the high pass filter and increase its resonance. So we've got two kinds of acid here. One from the ladder filter with drive and one with the high pass filter. Mod 3 will increase the drive. Let's look at these reflections via XY for some nice visuals. And now the problem is that opening the filter, increasing resonance and increasing drive, all will increase perceived volume. So we'll route them into this free section of dual mix and apply them as negative expression mod. So as these get turned up, it will reduce the gain of the VCA, compensating the loudness. Also, let's make this velocity sensitive, just a bit. So let's fire up the sequence and finalize the sound with the effects. Have fun making acid.